Take two. Alright, we're gonna try again. That's my first or second attempt. I had a video, I guess, set too low.
I can't see your head.
You can't, that's alright. But you can see I made a clove hitch here. And all I did was slide him around. You know, come back around, feed it through. You know, that's pretty good knot. We'll take that one off for another one. So this is for lesson number 7 for the intermediate bush class. And the next one will be a slip knot, which you can see I already did it, but we'll do it again. Kind of simulating my tarp, but real quick. But I got a rock and old rag, and take the long end, slip it through the old hole there, and always takes a little longer on the video, right? I'm new at this. Alright, so there's my rock trick with my tarp. Slip knot. And that would be number 2 knot. The next one will be a Canadian knot. I do that on my whoopee. And you can see I already got some of them made. I can take a little tag in and break it loose. Made a little knot there. Made another little knot. Slip it around my my whoopee. But a little slider through that knot, the bottom side that is. And she pulled it right on up. Then I just wrap it around. I want to undo it, pull that little tag in. It's pretty cool. That's Canadian jam knot. Now the next one will be the bowling. And I've done that one since I was a little kid. Same way you guys were talking about it. Is the way I was taught. Old rabbit came up the hole, go around the tree, back in the hole, and there you go. Or did I do that backwards? Yeah, we'll do it again. A little bit bigger loop this time. Up the hole, around the tree, back up it. There you go. Good old bow knot. Works pretty good. You see that one? Yeah. I teach her these knots too. The last one, I guess you guys sort of call it a rescue one, is okay, one-handed. You always want to use that second hand though, but alright. Over, under, bring it around. There you go. Thank you. It's a good knot. But alright. Lesson number 7. Intermediate knots. Take 2. I hope this one works. We'll see. Thank you.
I didn't see the video.